Today we are going to solve this equation to find x and y. Solution: x plus y equal to 7, x, y equal to 7. From first equation we are going to find third equation, y equal to 7 minus x. This is equation 3. In equation 2 we are going to apply the equation 3. So x times of y, we can add this one, 7 minus x equal to 7. Multiply this to 7x minus x square equal to 7. Now moving this in right hand side, so x square minus 7x plus 7 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 7, C equal to 7. The quadratic equation formula used here is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 square minus 4 times of 1 times of c is 7 by 2 times of a. Now x equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus, this is 28 by 2. X equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 28 is 21 by 2. x1. Now we have two solutions. One is x1, 7 plus square root of 21 by 2. This can be written like x1 equal to 7 by 21 plus square root of 21 by 2. Other solution, that x2 equal to 7 minus square root of 21 by 2, which is x2 equal to 7 minus square root of 21 by 2 here by 2. From the equation y equal to 7 minus x. Now we know the x here, so x1 equal to 7 minus 7 by 2 plus square root of 21 by 2. Now y1 equal to 7 minus 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2. Here we can consider that y1 equal to 2 times of 7 is 14 minus 7 by 2 square root of 21 by 2. So y1 equal to 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2. y2 find out 7 minus 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2. Now 7 minus 7 by 2 plus 21 by 2. Here 14 minus 7 by 2 plus square root of 21 by 2. Now 7 by 2 plus square root of 21 by 2. X1 now, Y1. So X1 is 7 plus square root of 21 by 2. Same is here, comma. Y1 is 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2. X2 by 2 is 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2. 7 by 2 plus square root of 21 by 2. 2 check. X plus y equal to 7. Now x is 7 by 2 plus square root of 21 by 2 plus 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2 equal to 7. We are going to verify this. So this cancels this. So we have 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 equal to 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 by 2 equal to 7. So simplify this, here 7. So 7 equal to 7. So LHS equal to RHS. Thus verified. Now we are going to verify with the equation x y equal to 7. Now x is 7 by 2 plus square root of 21 by 2 is the 1, and 7 by 2 minus square root of 21 by 2 equal to 7. A plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. We are going to apply this formula here. 7 by 2 whole square minus square root of 21 by 2 whole square equal to 7. 7 square is 49 by 4. Here this cancels this. So here 2. So 21 by 4 equal to 7. So 49 minus 21 by 4 equal to 7. So 28 by 4 equal to 7. Now simplify this. Here it is 7. So 7 equal to 7. LHS equal to RHS. That's verified.